Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and use boards. It will assume you already know how to make a project. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go watch my video on how to make a project. And if you want to know more about dashboard in general, you can go watch the video on my overview of your dashboard. So there are a few ways you can make a new board. You might see this one right here in the top right that says new board. You can click that. You can also go in from a project, any project, and you'll have the new board button at the top right, and you'll have the new board button in the middle. We just want to make it super easy for you to make boards. So to make a board, click that button, enter the name of the board. I'll call this living room. Now the discount amount here will pre-populate if you have entered it in the project. So when you made a project, you had a chance to enter your discount amount you want to share. That will carry over. You can change it though, and it will not affect your project or other boards. So each board you can share a different amount of discount. The project here will also pre-populate if you've made it from a project. So I clicked into house 2508 already. So it is defaulting to that, but I can move this to other boards if I want, or to other projects, excuse me. And you can enter a description. You can write whatever you want here. That might be helpful. Maybe budgets, dimensions, colors, things the client is looking for. I would just note that when you do share this board, that will be shared to the client. So don't say anything nasty about them. After that, just click Create Board, and you've got a new board. Now you can start adding things to it, but I'll come back to that in a moment. I want to show you the other way you can make a new board. So from any product page, you can create a board. Again, we want this process to be super simple, and we don't want to slow you down. If you find a product you really love while you're looking through the product pages and don't have a board yet, not a problem. Just click Add a Project from any product page, click on Create New Board. I'll call this, we already have a living room, so let's call this Entry Hall. And in a project, I'll find the project I'm working on, House 2508. I can enter the description, same way, click on Create New Board. So the fun stuff, though, is adding things to boards. To do that, any product, again, click on Add a Project. Scroll down to find the board you're working on. And this is going to go in the entry hall, and I've added it. Note here, you can remove products in the same way. You just uncheck them, and it's removed. So I want to make sure that's in there. And then I can go back and view my project right here, and I can look at entry hall board. It's there. That's great. So from here, I'm ready to share. I probably in real life would want more than one light in my entry hall, but I'm going to share this with my client. To do that, you just click that button up in the top right that says share, and you can enter your client's email. You can enter multiple emails here, just separate by comma. And you can also choose if you want to share with prices or without prices. So it defaults to without, and we know a lot of designers like to do this. Maybe they want their client to make a decision on the big picture, not the individual prices, or they're just getting a sense of what their client likes and dislikes. So you don't care about prices, and you'll just hide that. Or you can share with prices, and they will see the retail price and the price based on the discount you've given them. And so we've given them a 10% discount here. Note you can go back and edit that. Just click cancel and edit board details, and you can edit it right here. The other thing I would want to point out is when you send this, it will not show the section in board details about percentage of discount, your client savings, or your profit margin. That will be hidden. Board stats will also be hidden from them. They will just see the product, the date created, the project, and a description, and then the items on themselves with or without prices based on how you've chosen to do that. From a board, you can also go and create a cart. That might be the most important part, but that's in the next video, so I don't want to get ahead of myself. Other than that, that's how easy boards are. If you have any questions, please email us at concierge@danielhouse.club, or you can just click on that button right there with the little message icon and send us a message. Look forward to seeing you around the club.